Gelato Network DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. The Gelato Network is a decentralized automation protocol designed to optimize and simplify your DeFi experience. Built for developers and power users, Gelato excels in automating smart contract interactions, enabling functionalities like automated trading, yield farming, and liquidations. What makes it stand out is its highly programmable and reliable infrastructure, which is compatible with multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB chain. It's a game changer for anyone seeking efficiency and scalability in DeFi operations. I've used Gelato primarily for automating transactions and optimizing liquidity management across various protocols. One standout feature is its task automation framework. Whether you're setting up recurring transactions, automating token swaps on DEXs, or managing stop-loss orders, Gelato executes these seamlessly without requiring constant monitoring. The platform integrates with popular DeFi protocols like Uniswap, Aave, and QuickSwap, meaning it caters perfectly to both seasoned DeFi users and those managing large portfolios. The interface is developer-friendly, with robust SDKs and detailed documentation. But even as a non-coder, I found the integrations intuitive via platforms like Sorbet Finance, Gelato's DEX aggregation solution. The ability to automate gas fee optimizations has also been a lifesaver, especially during periods of network congestion. Security is top-notch, with Gelato's infrastructure decentralized across a network of operators, ensuring tasks execute without single points of failure. As a user, knowing that all automation runs on a trustless network and not on centralized servers gives peace of mind. In terms of drawbacks, the only noticeable learning curve might be for absolute DeFi beginners. Understanding smart contract interactions and configuring tasks could feel overwhelming without prior experience. That said, Gelato's team has worked hard on educational resources to bridge this gap. Overall, Gelato Network is ideal for DeFi enthusiasts, traders, and developers looking to save time and optimize yield without compromising on security. My experience has been smooth, reliable, and has significantly improved my portfolio management. If you're serious about DeFi, Gelato is a must-try platform that delivers on its promises.